water tank shower. This is gonna be so nice. Can't wait. Let's have a look at it. Scissors down. Got the manual in there with it. They always package their products so well. Empty, it's not real heavy, so that's nice. Slide the plastic off so we can have a look at it. Oh, this is nice. You can tell how much water we have in the reservoir right here. And then just hook our nozzle up for spraying right here. Open and close. And then fill it up right here. And that is well made. That's a heavy piece there.
Okay, now we just got to fill up the water tank.
Yep. Put some nice fresh water into it. Alright, now we have to pressurize the tank so the water will flow out. We're going to remove that cap. Alright, after you pressurize the tank, then open the valve, water comes on, and then look, the ducks on it. It's great. I think it's a shower. And not only can you use it for the ducks, it's got multiple settings. Rinse off the turn it off by the little button or on. I'm also going to use it to clean out the trash can, rinse it out.
Like water off a duck's back.
Another thing that I like about our portable shower is that after being out on the trail and get all muddy, we can rinse off our door handles. That way we're not taking all this mud into the cab of the truck.
And you can rinse off Ruby.
Yeah, she likes it a lot. Hey guys, I'm Christy with Dirt Daubers Adventures. Few final thoughts on our OPENROAD shower here. We've been testing this thing for a couple weeks now, and really impressed with the ways that we have found to use this thing, and the way it's made. I mean, it is solid. It is so nice in the summertime. The water gets warm in it, so you don't have cold water. They do make this in a 10 gallon. This is the 5 gallon, but if you want it bigger, they do make it in a 10 gallon. And in the winter time, they do make a heater for it. So if you wanted to purchase a heater, which if we're going to do this in the winter time, honestly, I want the heater for it. That way you can have warm showers in the winter time as well. But we have fallen in love with this thing, and we'll take it everywhere with us.